What's up, YouTube? Today I want to show you guys a prototype tattoo machine that I designed on Tinkercad and printed on my Ender3. This specific tattoo frame was made to only use cartridge needles. I took a cartridge grip I found on Thingiverse, but I can no longer find. I do, however, still have the STL to show you how I remixed it. I made the inside solid so it can use the needle pusher, which I made by cutting the tattoo needle in half, then printing a ball with the hole in it and gluing them together. I also added threading to the back of the grip and threading to the tattoo frame. And I chose to print them both separately because it was a bit easier that way. This 3D print is important to me because it's the whole reason behind why I started 3D printing in the first place. My plan was to make tattoo machine frames, but the plan was shot down soon after I learned how to use my 3D printer. I quickly found out that PLA and ABS was not autoclavable, and that polycarbonate would be a better filament for me, but after many hours of research, I found that it has a limited amount of times that it can be autoclaved. So I'm looking more to perfecting a few prototypes to make molds with than doing some metal casting. I used all the parts from the cheapest direct drive tattoo machine on Amazon, which was less than $15 for all of my prototype tattoo machines. This is the first time I'm using the machine on practice skin, and it did okay, but I would not use this on a person just yet. I also didn't strap in the motor really tight because I use it for all my prototypes. If I did, I know it will perform way better. I will show my many other tattoo prototypes soon, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see when I drop content.